Today, we are going on one of the most beautiful rides in Meghalaya, a journey through clouds, waterfalls, mountains, and endless green valleys. Welcome to the road trip to Sora, also known as Cherrapunji. The engine is ready, the helmet camera is on, and the road is calling. As we leave Shillong behind, the cold mountain air already feels refreshing. The roads are smooth, the weather is perfect, and the excitement for this ride is on another level. One thing about Meghalaya road is they never look the same for long. Every few minutes, the scenery changes completely. Sometimes you ride through thick pine forest, sometimes beside deep valleys, and sometimes directly into the clouds. The further we ride towards Sora, the more magical the journey becomes. These roads are not just roads, they are experience. The sound of the bike, the cool wind, these mountain views together create a feeling that is hard to explain. Mostly, this is why people fall in love with riding in Northeast India. Look at these landscapes, huge green cliffs stretching endlessly into the distance. The clouds here move so low that sometimes it feels like we are riding inside the sky. And the best part is, every turn begins a new surprise. One moment the weather is sunny, and the next moment everything disappears inside thick fog. This unpredictability is what makes Meghalaya so special. As we continue the ride, waterfalls begin appearing everywhere. Water flows down massive cliffs like white streams falling from the sky. During monsoon season, Sora becomes even more unbelievable. Every mountain seems alive with waterfalls. Nature here feels untouched, peaceful, and powerful at the same time. Sometimes there are moments during a ride when words are not needed. Just the sound of the wind, the engine, and the silence of the mountains. This is one of those moments. The roads towards Sora are truly a rider's dream. Smooth corners, cool weather, almost no traffic, and scenery that looks straight out of a movie. This place does not feel real sometimes. It feels nature decided to show its best version here. As we move closer to Sora town, small Khasi villages begin appearing beside the road. Simple houses, smiling people, and peaceful surroundings. The beauty of Meghalaya is not only in its landscape but also in its simplicity. Life here moves slowly, peacefully, naturally. After hours of riding, finally reaching Sora feels amazing. The weather here changes every few minutes. 1 second you can see the valleys clearly, and the next second everything disappears under clouds. This is the magic of Sora. This place is famous around the world as one of the wettest places on earth. And honestly, looking at these clouds, you can understand why. Every viewpoint here looks unreal. Standing near these massive valleys makes you realize how small we really are compared to the nature. There is something calming about places like this. No noise, no stress. Just mountains, clouds, and silence. And then comes the golden hour. The sunlight slowly falls across the hills, while the clouds begin glowing softly. This is probably the most beautiful time to ride in Meghalaya. The roads become golden, the mountains become dramatic, and every frame looks cinematic. Some journeys are not about reaching a destination. They are about the feeling you get while traveling. And this ride to Sora is exactly that kind of journey. A journey that makes you slow down, look around, and truly appreciate the nature. The memories from the rides like these stay forever because places like Sora are not just seen, they are felt. As the day slowly comes to an end, the mountain begins disappearing again into fog. The cold air becomes stronger and the roads slowly become quieter. But one thing is certain, this ride through Meghalaya will always remain unforgettable. If there is one place every rider should experience at least once, it is Sora, a land of clouds, waterfalls, windy roads, and endless beauty. And today's journey reminds us once again that sometime and today's journey reminds us once again that sometimes the best therapy is simply a long ride through nature. Until the next adventure, keep exploring, keep riding, and never stop chasing beautiful roads. Thank you for staying to watch this video to the end.